Did you know that over 70% of people lost in the wilderness panic? That's a recipe for disaster. Out here in the wild, keeping a cool head is as vital as finding food and water. It's about outsmarting Mother Nature, understanding her signs and respecting her raw power. This isn't some adventure movie. This is about real survival in the most extreme corners of our planet. We're talking scorching deserts, dense jungles, icy wastelands, places where one wrong step can be your last. Imagine finding yourself alone, stripped of everything familiar. The air is thick with humidity or thin and icy cold. Danger lurks around every corner. Your senses are on high alert. This is extreme survival. It's a test of human resilience, of our primal instincts and our will to live. And believe me, it can happen to anyone, anywhere, at any time. Why would anyone willingly choose these unforgiving environments? It's not about tempting fate. It's about pushing boundaries, testing limits, and understanding our place in this vast world. The challenges are immense. Picture the Amazon rainforest, a labyrinth of dense foliage, venomous creatures, and unpredictable weather. Survival here means mastering ancient techniques, using your surroundings and respecting the jungle's raw power. Now transport yourself to the Arctic. The biting wind chills you to the core. Finding shelter, fire, and food becomes a relentless battle against the elements. It's about mental fortitude as much as physical endurance. Then there's the desert, a sea of sand and scorching sun. Water, the elixir of life, becomes your ultimate prize. Every ounce is precious, every decision critical. One mistake and the desert can swallow you whole. These environments are unforgiving. The climates are extreme, from blistering heat to bone-chilling cold. Resources are scarce. Food, water, and shelter are not readily available. You must earn them. Isolation is a constant companion. The silence can be deafening, amplifying your fears and doubts. It's a mental battleground where loneliness can be as dangerous as any predator. But there's beauty in these challenges. They strip us bare, revealing our true nature. It's about adaptation, ingenuity, and a deep respect for the natural world. In these extreme environments, we learn to appreciate the simple things. A sip of water, a flicker of warmth, the sound of another human voice. I've encountered countless stories of survival against incredible odds. Stories of people who refused to give up, who dug deep and found the strength to overcome. Take the Amazonian tribes who navigate the jungle's intricate web of life. They've learned to identify edible plants, build shelters from natural materials, and even use venomous creatures to their advantage. Or the Inuit communities of the Arctic, who've adapted to a frozen world. They build igloos for warmth, hunt seals for sustenance, and navigate the icy terrain with remarkable skill. And let's not forget the Bedouin nomads who've traversed the scorching deserts for centuries. They know how to find water in the driest of lands, navigate by the stars, and survive on minimal resources. These are just a few examples of the human spirit's resilience. They remind us that we are capable of extraordinary things when pushed to our limits. Aaron Ralston's story is the epitome of survival against impossible odds. In 2003, while canyoneering in Utah, a dislodged boulder pinned his arm, trapping him for days. Imagine the despair, the isolation, the sheer terror of being trapped with no way out. But Aaron refused to surrender. He rationed his meager supplies, meticulously planned his escape, and ultimately made the agonizing decision to amputate his own arm to survive. His story is a testament to the power of the human will. It's a stark reminder that even in the darkest of moments, we have the strength to choose life, to fight for another breath, another day. These stories aren't just tales of adventure. They offer profound lessons about ourselves, about our capacity for courage, resilience, and adaptability. They teach us the importance of preparation, of respecting the environment, and of never underestimating the power of the human spirit. When faced with adversity, we discover hidden reserves of strength, resourcefulness, and determination we never knew we possessed. In a world increasingly detached from nature, these stories remind us of our primal connection to the earth, of the delicate balance we must strive to maintain. They are a call to adventure, a reminder to push our boundaries and to discover the extraordinary within ourselves. Remember, survival is not about luck. It's about preparation, knowledge, and an unyielding will to live. What are your thoughts on these incredible tales of survival? Have you ever faced a moment where you had to dig deep and find your inner strength? Share your stories, your insights, and your questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible journeys.